a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, 60-watt fast charging, a Sony 50-megapixel camera, and a powerful MediaTek processor, serious water resistance, and a phone that TECNO claims is built to remain durable for years. This is the TECNO Spark 50 Pro, and looking at the specifications alone, this could be one of the most interesting Spark phones TECNO has released. But don't rush to buy it just yet, because while this phone has some impressive features, there are also some important compromises you need to know about. So, is the TECNO Spark 50 Pro actually worth buying, or should you spend your money on another smartphone? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the TECNO Spark 50 Pro comes with a slim body measuring around 7.8 millimeters. But the biggest story here isn't just how the phone looks, it's durability. The Spark 50 Pro comes with IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, and then the Spark series. TECNO also claims the phone has SGF-resistant certification, meaning the phone is designed to offer improved protection against accidental drops. But remember, water resistance does not mean you should intentionally take your phone swimming. Still, for users worried about rain, dust, accidental splashes, and everyday accidents, this level of protection is definitely an interesting feature. Now let's talk about the display. The TECNO Spark 50 Pro comes with a massive 6.78-inch display. Navigating around the phone and supported games feel smoother, compared to a standard 60Hz display. This is an HD+ display with a resolution of 7020 by 1576 pixels, not Full HD+. And depending on the final price in your country, that could be an important compromise. Now let's move over to performance. Powering the TECNO Spark 50 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor. The specifications look promising. But here's something you must know. The TECNO Spark 50 Pro is not a 5G smartphone. This is the same processor class we've seen targeting users who want smooth, everyday performance. For normal activities like watching videos, browsing the internet, using social media, and playing mobile games. This phone supports 4G and 4.5G connectivity, so if you're specifically looking for a new smartphone with 5G, you need to keep that in mind before buying. Now let's talk about RAM and storage, and this is where you need to pay close attention. Depending on the configuration available in your country, TECNO lists the Spark 50 Pro with up to 256 gigabytes. The highest listed memory configuration is 256 gigabytes of storage with up to 24 gigabytes of combined RAM. But don't get confused by that number. The 24 gigabytes includes 16 gigabytes of extended RAM, meaning part of that advertised memory is virtual RAM that uses the phone's internal storage. Virtual RAM is not the same thing as physical RAM, so always check the exact configuration being sold. Still, up to 256 gigabytes of storage should provide plenty of space for applications and games. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of this phone, the camera. The TECNO Spark 50 Pro comes with a 50-megapixel Sony Litia 600 main camera. And on the front, you get an 8-megapixel selfie camera. TECNO is also promoting features like Flash Snap for capturing moving subjects and AI-powered camera features. Having a Sony Litia sensor on a Spark series smartphone sounds impressive, but remember, a good camera sensor doesn't automatically guarantee amazing pictures. Image processing, lighting conditions, stabilization, and software optimization also play a major role. So if camera quality is your biggest reason for buying this phone, I recommend checking real-world samples. Now let's talk about one of the biggest strengths of the TECNO Spark 50 Pro, the battery. Inside this phone is a massive 6,000 milliamp hour battery, and you also get 60-watt fast charging. That's a serious upgrade for users who don't want to spend hours waiting for their phone to recharge. The Spark 50 Pro's bypass charging, which sends power directly to the phone during supported activities. TECNO also claims the battery is designed for long-term durability, with up to 1,900 charging cycles. Of course, actual battery life will depend on your usage, but on paper, battery and charging are major strengths. Now I want to hear from you. Would you buy the TECNO Spark 50 Pro, or do you think there are better smartphones for the money? Drop your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more smartphone reviews, full specifications, comparisons, and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.